Why motivation isn't enough. Transtheoretical Model explained simply. We all say we'll start tomorrow. I'll quit smoking after this pack. I'll hit the gym next Monday. I know I need to change. I'm just not ready yet. Sound familiar?
That's because behavior change isn't about motivation alone, it's a process. And today we're diving into the model that maps out that process. The Transtheoretical Model, also known as the stages of change. In the late 1970s, psychologists James Prochaska and Carlo Di Clemente asked, why do some people succeed at change and others fail?
They realized most behavior change isn't instant. It follows predictable stages, and understanding those stages can help people change more effectively. Thus, the Transtheoretical Model, TTM, was born, a theory that explains how people change over time. Let's walk through the 6 stages of change.
1. Pre-contemplation. I don't need to change. People in this stage don't see the behavior as a problem. Yet. Example. Smoking calms me. I don't need to quit.
2. Contemplation. Maybe I should change. Awareness is growing, but they're not ready to commit. They weigh the pros and cons. Example, I know smoking's bad, but quitting sounds hard.
3. Preparation. I'm getting ready to change. They start planning. Maybe they buy nicotine patches or sign up for a gym. Change isn't happening yet, but the intention is strong. 4. Action. I'm doing it. This is the active change stage, quitting, starting, or replacing the old behavior.
5. Maintenance. I'm keeping it up. The goal now is to avoid relapse. They've changed their habits, but need strategies to sustain it. 6. Termination. I've changed for good. This final stage means the behavior no longer feels like a struggle, but many people cycle between stages, and that's okay.
Real-world example. Let's say Sarah wants to quit smoking. Pre-contemplation. I enjoy smoking. I'm fine. Contemplation. My cough's worse. Maybe I should quit. Preparation. I'll throw away my lighters and get gum. Action. It's been 2 weeks, still going strong. Maintenance. 6 months smoke-free. Relapse. Stress made me slip, but I'll try again. This model doesn't punish failure, it expects it. It reminds us, change is a journey, not a straight line.
Why researchers and health professionals love this model. 1. It meets people where they are, not where we want them to be. 2. Helps tailor health interventions based on the stage. 3. Emphasizes readiness, not pressure. 4. It's useful in everything from public health to addiction, fitness, therapy, and even finance.
But it's not perfect. It doesn't fully explain why someone moves from one stage to another. It may oversimplify behavior, ignoring emotional, cultural, or environmental factors. Not every behavior fits neatly into these stages. Some are less linear. Still, it's one of the most practical tools we have to understand change.
Want to use this model in your thesis or study? Let's say your research question is, what stage of change are adults in when trying to reduce sugar intake? Create a survey with statements that align with each stage.
4. Categorize participants accordingly. 5. Analyze what interventions work best at each stage. 6. You can also track stage progression over time. Great for longitudinal studies. Here's your quick summary. The Transtheoretical Model helps us understand how people change. There are 6 core stages, and relapse is part of the process. It works well in health behavior, addiction recovery, therapy, and beyond. You can apply it directly in research, intervention planning, or public health campaigns. If you've ever wondered why people don't change overnight, now you know. Motivation isn't enough. Change takes time, and this model helps us map that journey.
Subscribe to this channel for crystal clear breakdowns of research theories and behavior models, made for students, researchers, and anyone who loves understanding the why behind our actions.